check on my boss man there right quick. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's tired.
Yeah.
A little sleepy. It's been a long day, y'all. But I got close. Anybody been around me any length of time knows this trailer. From a few years ago, I used to pull the heck out of this when I worked for the guy that we're going to borrow this from today. Boss man up there in the truck, we got little red out. We're gonna take her today. If you're wondering where we're going,
You gotta take better care of this phone. I thought you were gonna do better care of this phone.
that's the plan. I thought you was gonna bring. All right, y'all, we just did a whole progression of hooking up this RGN, and Boss Man was my cameraman, but look over there, Boss Man, tell him what you did.
I guess I hit the stop button.
He fat fingered it, I think.
Yeah.
I know some girls that like them fat fingers, but but anyway, we got the RGN hooked up. We're about to go get our loader, y'all. We're gonna run down to Vernon, Texas. We're in Little Red here. We gotta use it the next few days or next few weeks or something due to we had 2 days of towing going on, so
Totally.
I've been around Ronnie for 8 years now, and I've only seen 2 tow jobs around here, and they've been in the last 2 days. So we lost transmission most likely in the Adams Freightliner, and then I think the Pumpkin got the ECM, which y'all seen that video already, I'm sure. This one came out afterwards, so we're gonna head down here and we'll do a better job recording down here on the other end. So see y'all when we get down there, pick up our loader. All right, we stopped down here before we head out of town just to make sure everything's hooked up, looking good. We got all our excuse me. Got all our securing gear. Got our flags for our bucket. If it's a little bit wide, man, something got me stirred up. She looks good. A little red. What in the world? I guess we gotta wait right here. I'm about to start our recording here, pull in here to get this loader, but well, look it right there. But as a Super Trucker Dan would say, here comes your train for today. Ain't that right, boss man?
Right.
Train for today.
Just hoping don't lose none of our containers.
Yep. Degrees. Alright. Train cleared the path. Here we go.
Can't drive, I know that.
Damn Kenworth. I'm blaming it on the truck. Yeah, we made it to 90 miles down here. We did all right. Let's get out here and sweat our ass off. 99 is what it's showing out there on the thermometer now on the mirror. Get this bad boy tied down.
I'm just gonna sit in the truck.
You're fitting to be the cameraman. Hopefully you do a better job this time. I'm gonna show him the secret to it. That way he can glance and make sure we're doing good. There she is, parked right on the end for us here, guys. Right there. Big bad boy loader. We make Gentry and Son proud.
Yeah.
That flat top. Y'all remember it too, I bet you. From our last video, or not our last one, the last few videos, a couple videos ago now. Back up here and get on a good flat spot, get good and square.
Out of the truck, folks.
Yeah, you got your finger in front of it again.
Yeah, you're getting out of the truck. Not too sure what he's doing here, folks. But I think he's done this once or twice. I think he's detaching the gooseneck is what we're doing. If anybody's wondered. Ours is a little more fancy than Gentry and Son.
Falling when you unhook it.
fixing to pull away. Letting air out of their bags. Uh-oh. What's going on with that? Too full?
I think it overfilled the tank. Probably whatever was in the line.
Yeah. We are detached. Alright, he's gonna pull out here and get out of the way. We're ready to get the big boy. This is our little girl going home. Alright, we got our 4 corners of securement, 2 here. Got our hydration, our PPE, and our famous boss man. Done got fired.
We got our 4 corners here, 1 on each side. Fix that chain a little bit right there, put a bungee cord on it. We had to put this flag on right here, it's sticking over a 1/2 inch maybe, but it's sticking in 8 inches over here. So we got our bucket secured, got a chain, it's got a hook welded up there, so I just hooked it there and secured it back. This trailer don't have no fenders over the tires, so you got to put a block of wood under there to keep the blade or the bucket from getting into the tires. One thing you always want to make sure of when you're hauling a articulating piece of equipment, in other words, it bends in the middle, turns in the middle, make sure you got your safety pin locked in. DOT will get you on that. Of course, our other chain over here in good shape, so I think we're about ready to roll. All right, guys, we're gonna stop here and do a load check. Real reason we stopped. Right there, though. Not the boss man, but there he goes. Check engine light came on. Checking it out right quick, see what's going on. Everything looked good. Do a load check. He's gonna check the battery box. Make sure we don't just have loose battery. We ain't drove that truck in a long time. And the chain right there come loose. It's just the excess. Tie it up right quick. There we go. Put the bungee cord on it, hold it in place. Flag still riding. Turns on there. Oh, I need some PV blaster, WD-40. Good and tight. Good there. Pin still intact.
hot there, so see if he found anything in his battery box. This first time this truck's been anywhere in 6 months. Shit, probably 8 months. We're still hauling cotton last time we used this truck. You ain't let them loose?
That was gone.
Huh?
Battery's no good. No.
The battery in? The hot?
But it's stripped. The stud's stripped.
Oh shit. That's weird. But the hot side or is that ground? That's a ground, ain't it? Yep.
It's hot side.
No, that's a ground, boss. It's tied together with the ground.
Yeah, it's ground.
Everything else tight?
Was now.
No.
It wasn't.
Really? That might have been a problem then. I've just been getting a little bit of loosey goosey, huh?
Needs a set of batteries. Well, I had to put batteries on her.
Yeah.
This was pretty corroded right
Yeah.
here.
So this thing's been sitting. I hauled the last load in it, and y'all remember the video. Y'all can go back and look at the video. We were talking about Little Red. This is a. It was back. I know we were hauling cotton at the time because I had to peel off to go get a load of urea to take down to Monday. That's the last time we ran her. And it was probably October, November time frame. All right, he's gonna put that back on. We're gonna go get a blizzard and hopefully make it home. Can't be day 3 of 3. Knock on wood here. Have to call Miss 806 to light a candle for us. She's a pretty big believer in lighting them candles, you know, them Catholic
I'm
girls.
getting on the loader and I'm going home. Push this a bit off in the ditch and I'm going home.
I'll drive it back out the ditch for you, boss. Big old Cummins in there. That's part of the problem, but
Don't
actually,
be
it's
about my little red motor.
well, you say you're gonna put it in the ditch, so actually this is the good Cummins besides the cams that messed up, but this one's already got the new cams in it.
Yep.
Actually got a brand new head on it right now. That head ain't got 20,000-30,000 miles on it. Got a new fuel pump. This is the pre-emissions Cummins. It don't have no emissions at all on it. No EGR, no nothing. It's this 02, right, boss? 2002 or 2003. So it don't have no emissions on it at all. PDI turbo manifold. Anyway, you about got that secured up, so we're gonna roll inside here. All right, guys, we made it about 18 miles down the road. We're at Quanah here at 287 diesel service in Quanah. They're checking for a fuel filter. I think that's what our problem is. This truck's set for 9 months, like I said. Hadn't had no fuel put in it in 9 months. I think we're having a fuel issue. We had a driver in this truck at one time, had kind of this similar symptoms, and I'm pretty sure that's what our problem is. So we're here. They're gonna see if they got a filter, a little bit of diesel treatment, so we can change this thing out right quick. Hopefully we don't have to get towed today. That will be 3 days in a row. That'll be three of our 5 trucks down. So somebody put some bad juju on this or something. I'm gonna look under this bunk here. See what they got. They're opening the doors over here. They might have got one. All right, this has been one of our other trucks we run all the time. We'd have had these on them. This truck ain't got it because we don't ever hardly use it. So they didn't have the exact match, but he said, the mechanic in there said that they make different filters too for these Cummins that still fit. So I need to take this one off and see if all our threads are gonna line up or match up. Alright guys, so I'm kicked back on the trailer here. Dirtier than hell. Wore out. Uncle Adam's bringing the blue truck to come rescue us. I think her lift pump's acting up on it. Boss man went ahead and took off with the truck. He's gonna try to ease it home. And see if he can make it. And Adam should be here in a little bit with the blue truck so we can get this thing onto the house. So that's kind of what we did. Fuel filter didn't really make a difference. And could be the ECM on that thing too. It's been sitting a long time, man. I don't know. We need to get a laptop to hook up to it too. Just like the dadgum, the pumpkin truck. 3 days now we've had 3 breakdowns, and we got 3 trucks down that we can't use. So, and we got about 6 weeks before the gen is going to kick off. So, and we got to have all 5 trucks running by then. So we got a work cut out for us. But I'm gonna end this video here. Nah, probably won't end it. I'll probably end it tonight. My phone's almost dead though. I got to plug it in when that, Adam gets here with the truck. So we'll catch y'all at the end of the day here when we get this thing to the yard and get it unloaded. Hey guys, a little update. We're rolling back into Quanah, Texas here. We got the loader home finally. Uncle Adam brought us the blue truck, and boss man's driving Miss Daisy right now. I guess you call me Miss Daisy.
Yeah.
But he felt sorry for me. I had to eat. But we had to leave the Kenworth over here. We couldn't get it home, so we got the loader dropped off, and now we got the lowboy trailer, the RGN still hooked up. We're going to just load the Kenworth up on the RGN and haul it home. That's the plan. So day turned out a little different than what we were expecting it to, but we're getting it done nonetheless. So I know I didn't update y'all good a whole lot right there at the end, but we're just trying to get that thing figured out. I think we come to the conclusion that it's probably the fuel pump, most likely, the lift pump. So we're gonna have to get that and check it out and do a little more testing on it. So, but we're down 3 trucks out of 5 right now, so we're only batting about 400. So we need to get that straightened up. We'll get her lined out though. I think the Kenworth's going to end up being a pretty easy fix. The green truck, the Freightliner, of course, we'll probably just end up having to put transmission in it, which that's not really that big of a deal. We'll get it fixed. The pumpkin's the one I think is going to be a little confusing on, as far as we're going to have to put a laptop on it, see what's going on. What's going on, boss?
Checking fuel.
Hey, check on my boss man there right quick. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's tired. A little sleepy. It's been a long day, y'all, but we're gonna get over here and get the we're almost to where the Kenworth's at. We're gonna get her loaded up, and I'll close y'all out right there. I'll close y'all out when we get back to the yard. And I gotta get up early in the morning. We gotta go all the way to Enid, Oklahoma, grab 2 loads of fertilizer and take them down to Mundy, Texas. So it's gonna be a full day tomorrow too. Or today, I guess it's almost tomorrow now. So it's fixing to be today. See y'all in a minute. All right, we got the red truck loaded up, y'all. Boss man's coming back. Like that. Oh, backwards, boss. See, the little hoe goes out to the front.
You fussy, ain't you?
Yeah. There you go. There's a nut and a pin up there. Come down with her. Alright, y'all, we're ready to ride. Got her secured up front to the pin with the boomer. Put her handy dandy ramps on here to make it easier to back up. Sorry if the phone is not focusing very well. You see the ramps there. It's got a pin attachment for them. About to leave my PB blaster here. Alright, back here we're boomed up. Got her excess tied off. Boomed up there. Got her ramps there. Boomed up right there. Boss man brought the tie. Got air going to the trailer. I can hear it. We got all our lights on. I'm gonna bungee up some of this excess here. Wasn't too bad, was it? Huh?
Yep.
Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad.
It'd be a lot easier. We just go home and drop this trailer.
Rescue one. Alright guys, we made it to Childers, Texas. Get a little bit of diesel. Uncle Adam's got to take this truck over to Oklahoma with me tomorrow to Enid to haul some fertilizer. Boss man cleaning windows. It's about midnight. But there's old Little Red down for the count. Truck number 3 in 3 days. Ain't worth a damn. But anyway, we're making it happen. We're gonna be back larger in life. We're gonna get everything taken care of. And we will prevail as always.
Big Blue over here getting her done though. Big Blue and the rat rod.